Good morning all. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss the problem section. Exercise 1C, question number 5. For each pair of rational numbers given below, verify that the multiplication is commutative. We already learned multiplication is commutative. That is A by B into C by D is C by D into A by B. So first question is 1 by 5. Question number 6. First question. Minus 1 by 5 and 2 by 9. That is minus 1 by 5 into 2 by 9 is equal to how to multiply? Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Here no cancellation because no common factor between numerator and denominator. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 by 5 nines are 45. So minus 2 by 45 is the answer. Again what to check? 2 by 9, change the order. 2 by 9 you write first. 2 by 9 into 1 by 5 is equal to numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 9 5s are 45. Same answer you know. So hence verified. Hence commutative property verified. Is commutative property verified. Okay, hence commutative property verified. Just first you directly multiply negative 1 by 5 into 2 by 9. Then just change the order. First you write 2 by 9 into negative 1 by 5. We will get the same answer. Okay, that is commutative property. Okay, next problem. Question number 2. 2, not 2, 3. Question number 3. 3 and minus 8 by 9. 3 and minus 8 by 9. How to do? 3 can be written as, how to write 3 in P by Q form? Rational form. 3 by 1 into minus 8 by 9 equal to numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Any cancellation? Yes, 3 and 9. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 1 into minus 8 is minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3. Okay. Again change the order. Minus 8 by 9 into 3 by 1 is equal to numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Cancellation. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That is minus 8 by 3. Same answer you know. Okay. This is commutative property. If we change the order, then also we will get the same answer. Clear? Question number 7. Exercise 1C. Question number 7. First question. Find a reciprocal. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. So first you find the multiplication. 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. 3 get cancelled. Answer 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the answer. So what is the multiplicative inverse of? Multiplicative inverse of inverse of 2 by 5 is multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. See, don't first you don't write 5 by 3 and 3 by 2. Don't change the order at first. If it is only one number, you can change the order. That is numerator and denominator interchange. But here 3 by 5 into 2 by 3, you first do the calculation. First do the calculation and finally reverse the answer. Finally, one answer is there, 2 by 5. You just take the inverse of 2 by 5, that is 5 by 2. Okay, just take the inverse. Here 2 by 5 is the answer of 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. Then multiplicative inverse of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Clear? One more question. That is second question. Minus 8 by 3 into 13 by minus 7. So first you just multiply this. How to multiply? Here no cancellation is possible because there is no common factor. So negative 8 into 13 by 3 into negative 7. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Okay. What is negative 8 into 13? 104. Negative 104 by negative 21. Okay. Okay. Now negative by negative is what? Negative by negative is positive. Positive 104 by 21 is the answer. Positive 104 by 21 is the answer. So multiplicative, you want to find the multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of 104 by 21 is 21 by 104. Okay, 21 by 104. Clear? 21 by 104. Okay, here no change in any sign or not. Okay, just to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 104 by 21 is 21 by 104. Okay. The question. Verify that x plus y into z is equal to x into z plus y into z if x is equal to 4 by 5, y is equal to negative 2 by 3, z is equal to negative 4. Here which property? Here distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, x plus y into z is x into z plus y into z. We want to check it for a given number. Here x equal to 4 by 5, x equal to 4 by 5, y is equal to, see here, two negative symbol is there. Minus 2 by 3 is minus of minus, plus 2 by 3, z equal to negative 4. Okay, two negative sign is there, negative of negative positive. So first we can take LHS, x plus y into z equal to, just to substitute the value, x 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3 into minus 4 is equal to, first 5 and 3 LCM. First do the bracket. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now cross multiply. 5 into 3 is 15, so 4 into 3 plus 2 into cross multiplication 5. Okay, into negative 4 is equal to 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10 by 15 into negative 4. This is equal to 12 plus 10 is 22 by 15 into negative 4. Negative 4 means negative 4 by 1. Okay, negative 4 means negative 4 by 1. So numerator into numerator, 22 into negative 4 by 15 into 1 is equal to minus 88 by 15. Minus 88 by 15. Again we want to check x into z plus y into z equal to, what is x? X is 4 by 5 into minus 4 plus y is equal to negative of negative 2 by 3 is positive 3 by 3 into negative 4. Okay, which is equal to 4 by 5 into negative 4 means negative 4 by 1 plus 2 by 3 into negative 4 by 1. Just multiply numerator into numerator. 4 into negative 4 by 5 into 1 plus next one 2 into negative 4 by 3 into 1. 4 4s are minus 16. Negative 4 into 4 negative 16 by 5 plus 2 into negative 4 negative 8 by 3. Again LCM. LCM is 15, you know. Minus 16. 5 3s are 15. So minus 16 into 3 plus minus 8 into 5 equal to minus 16 into 3 minus 48 plus minus 40 by 50 equal to, what is minus 48 minus 40? Both having same sign, you know. Both are same sign. Negative 48 plus negative 40 is added. Negative 88 by 15. Negative 88 by 15. Here also you look negative 88 by 15. Here also negative 88 by 15. So hence verified. Hence verified. Hence verified. We verified, you know. Both having same. So verified. It is correct. Clear. So first you take x plus y into z. Substitute the values and find. First do the bracket addition. Into minus 4. You will get minus 88 by 15. Now distribute this x. Sorry, z. Distribute this z. That is x into z plus y into z. Already given in the question. That is x. Substitute the value x into z minus 4 plus y into z. Like that. Okay. Clear. Okay. Next. 9th question. Verify that x into y minus z is equal to x into y minus x into z if first one. Okay, first question from 9, first question. X is equal to 4 by 5, y is equal to negative 7 by 4 and z is equal to 3. The same way we can verify this is distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. Distributivity of multiplication over subtraction. So here x is x into y minus z. We can do first x into y minus z equal to, what is x? 4 by 5 into, what is y? Minus 7 by 4 minus, what is z? 3. 3 means 3 by 1. You can write in rational number form. Okay. That is 4 by 5 into, do the bracket first. LCM. 4 into 1, 4. Negative 7 cross multiply into 1 minus 3 into 4. Okay. Which is equal to 4 by 5 into, what is negative 7 into 1? Negative 7 minus 3 4s are 12 by 4 equal to 4 by 5 into, what is negative 7, negative 12? Both are same sign, you know. Negative 7 plus negative 12. If we are taking subtraction means take the additive inverse, that is negative 7 plus, what is the additive inverse of 12? Minus 12. Okay, minus 12. It is same sign. So negative 19 by 4. Negative 19 by 4. That is equal to 4 by 5 into negative 19 by 4. 4 get cancelled. Answer is negative 19 by 5. Negative 19 by 5. Now check distributivity. X into y minus x into z equal to x. Our x is 4 by 5 into y is minus 7 by 4 minus x 4 by 5 z 3. 3 means 3 into 1. Okay, equal to 4 by, once again you write 4 by 5 into negative 7 by 4 minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 1. This 4 and this 4 get cancelled. So 1 into negative 7 by 5 minus 4 3s are 12 by 5 1s are 5. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator equal to both same denominator, you know. So now need to find the LCM. Here LCM is 5. Direct add or subtract the numerator. Negative 7 minus 12. Negative and negative. Both are negative, you know. Otherwise you can take the additive inverse. Negative 12 become plus 12. Negative sign become subtraction become addition. And what is inverse of 12? Additive inverse of 12 minus 12 by 5. That is minus 19 by 5. Here 19 by 5. Here minus 19 by 5. So hence verified. Hence verified. Okay, hence verified. Clear? Okay? You just first you find x into y minus z. First do the bracket, find the LCM and then multiply. Okay. Again you distribute this x into y minus x into z. Okay. You are getting the same answer. Here. Now exercise 1C. See sixth question. Sixth question. Write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of. Some numbers are given. See here. See sixth one. 15 by negative 17. Can you say what is the multiplicative inverse of 15 by negative 17? What is the reverse or inverse or reciprocal? What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal of 15 by negative 17 is, just reverse it. Minus 17 by 15. Okay, minus 17 by 15. Okay, don't write 17 by 15. Minus sign, no change in sign. Whenever you write the reciprocal, there is no change in sign. This is multiplication. In addition, additive inverse is, when we are finding the additive inverse, we are changing the sign. Here no change in sign. Okay, additive inverse means the sign, just to take the opposite side. Multiplicative inverse means it is reciprocal, just interchange numerator and denominator and there is no change in sign. Okay, one more question. Fifth one. Minus 8 by minus 7. What is minus 8 by minus 7? What is the reciprocal? What is the reciprocal of minus 8 by minus 7? Is 7 by 8. How 7 by 8? Because negative by negative is negative 7, negative 8. That is correct. Which is also equal to which is also equal to negative by negative is equal to positive, you know. Positive 7 by 8. Clear? Clear? Okay, the remaining questions you do it as homework. Very simple. Okay? Don't change the sign. Negative 8 by negative 7 is negative 7 by negative 8. It is 7 by 8. Okay? See? And the answer, when you are writing the reciprocal, you write these full words, reciprocal of, like that. Otherwise, don't write this way, minus 8 by minus 7 equal to 7 by 8. This is wrong. Is it equal? Minus 8 by minus 7 is equal to 7 by 8. No, its reciprocal is 7 by 8. Okay, so don't write this way, equal to, like that. This is not equal. They are asking to find the reciprocal. So you write reciprocal of negative 8 by negative 7 is 7 by 8, like that. Don't write this way. Negative 7 by negative 8 by negative 7 equal to 7 by 8, like that. This question also, 15 by minus 17 equal to minus 17 by 15. This is wrong. This is not equal. Okay, don't write like this way. Okay.